Hop over barriers, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, hop over barriers. This phrase is not only picturesque but also packed with meaning. Let's explore its definition, usage, and see some examples to help you master it. Ready to hop in? Let's go! Hop over barriers is a phrase that combines the action of hopping, a light, quick jump, with the concept of barriers, which are obstacles or things that block one's way. When we use this phrase, we're talking about overcoming obstacles or challenges in a swift and often easy manner. It's important to note that the barriers can be physical, like a fence, but are often metaphorical, referring to challenges in life, work, or personal growth. In many contexts, hop over barriers is used metaphorically. It implies not just the action of overcoming challenges but doing so with ease and agility. The metaphor suggests a positive, proactive attitude towards problems. It's about not letting obstacles stop you but quickly and efficiently finding ways to overcome them. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. Career growth. She hopped over barriers to become the youngest manager in her company. 2. Personal challenges. Despite his fear of public speaking, he hopped over barriers to deliver an excellent presentation. 3. Innovative thinking. The team hopped over barriers to find a unique solution to the problem. In each of these cases, the phrase illustrates someone overcoming challenges in a notable way. When using hop over barriers, keep these tips in mind. Use it to describe overcoming difficulties. It can be applied to various contexts: personal, professional, educational, etc. Pair it with words that highlight the ease or agility of the overcoming process, like easily, swiftly, or effortlessly. And there you have it, folks. Hop over barriers is a versatile and vivid phrase that you can use to describe overcoming challenges with ease and agility. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is about crossing many small barriers, and with each one, you grow stronger. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.